sometimes it wouldn't turn out correctly and sometimes it did. But if somebody caught it like not turning out correctly or right, then they would tell Miss Bart and Miss Bart would fix it, and the next day she would put it back in and hopefully it would turn out right. And usually it does. And if it did, we would just use that one.
Overall, having a 3D printer in the classroom was fun. We used it to make little cells. There was a nozzle on the end, and it would melt plastic, and it would come out in little white strips, and over time it would make layers, and then out came one of these, a cell. We designed the cell on a computer, and then Miss Berard hooked up like this cord to the computer and to the 3D printer, and it transferred what you wanted the cell to look like to the 3D printer, and then the 3D printer would start making the cell. I think having the 3D printer in the classroom benefited us. Overall, having it was very fun.
Process with the 3D printer, we took computers and we drew stuff, and then we planned out our monuments. It took like maybe 3 copies because it took very long to do it. So we used this app called SketchUp, and it was really kind of confusing, but at the end we added it all up, and then it turned out to be really good. So after that, we printed our monuments for the expo, and then at the expo everybody thought it was really, really neat. So